Yeah, and me and Jeffy are a couple of bros just trying to go bowling.
Pound it, Daddy.
Hello and welcome to the first ever couples bowling tournament. Only 2 couples showed up. So let's get started. Mario and Jeffy, you're up first.
And we're alive. Snap. Jeff, no offense, but that stinked. No offense, but that stinked. Stinky boy.
Bruh.
Fresh smelling boy, that makes you feel better. And he gets not even halfway. Good try, so high five.
Scooter, you're next, buddy. Scooter, aka Noah, is gonna be bowling, and the bowling ball isn't eating. I recorded it.
High five, high five. You else high five.
Well, it looks like there's a tie.
Oh, don't you I want to go home now. I can't do this.
Well, it looks like there's a tie.